Testing, testing. What? Yeah. Yeah. So the chain detector tool is really frustrating me. It's just like, is it just me or is my music really loud? Puyo Quest has been nice these days. They just give you so much free stuff. Like, so much free. I don't even know how Sega makes me. Okay, I need to like get... Oh, hate box management. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. I'll just feed everything to this. Look everyone, it's Sword Fighter Rufina. I'll feed her the fodder cards. Let's see. Useless. Probably. Do I need any of these? Probably not. Whatever, bye. That was my family. Let's see. I wish I could turn off notifications while like I'm using my iPad. But for some reason like Puyo Quest doesn't play its audio if you turn your notifications. Oh my gosh. Puyo Quest doesn't play its sound effects if you have notifications off, which is really weird to me, but okay. Anyways, my issue right now with the chain detector in C++ is like, actually porting it to C++ hasn't been too bad, but the problem is, I'm randomly running into issues where like some computations will run on the GPU and then some of them randomly won't, or it's like weirdly not so optimized and I'm not sure what's so wrong. So I'm about to try some other things. So right now, I'm trying to re-implement the way that the detector finds the contour that represents the game field. My original way of doing it was to use the find contours function in OpenCV, but for some reason, like, I don't know why it's worse than it is in Python. Because I'm pretty sure it should be binding to the same library, but for some reason it's doing the contour finding on CPU instead. And the context shift is like slowing down. my chain detector below 60 frames per second. I had to optimize it to be as fast as possible for other people to use it. Like, I haven't even gotten to using the classifier to classify each Puyo, so I can't waste computation time on like being stuck on just filtering. So right now, I guess this looks like I have things thresholded, but for some reason drawing all the polygons slows down the program to like, I don't even know, like 15 frames per second. It's bad. It confuses me. Here, let's give this a try. Like it's saying it's taking up 8. If I'm doing my math correctly, it says it's taking 8 frames just to perform an analysis to get the bounding rectangles. That's not fast enough. I'm not sure why my C++ implementation is like much slower than I don't know. Life is hard. Anyways, I need to finish up my Puyo Quest stuff. This eats up my day. I realize. Anyways, how's it going, Oz? I realized in hindsight that we should have met up more often and played Puyo together before the pandemic hit. Now it's gonna be a long time before we can really do things together again. But hey, I'm sure once Puyo Champions comes out with the Spectator mode, things will really pick up for everyone. Do I have to clear that one? Right? Ah, screw it. I have to do another round anyways. I'm too lazy. I just need to get to 100 so I can get all the 40 wilds, and then I'll be done with this struggle. I know I had an 11 chain on the board, but the thing is, like, I don't know. I'd rather just like use skills. I hate having to sit through the chain. It takes too long. I don't want to spend my whole day playing Puyo Quest. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll just do this next one, and then I'll let someone else finish off the boss for me. Like, I quit after this. How am I doing? Alright. Just thinking about all the stuff I need to get done.
Perfect combo.
I realized I might get done with the port of my chain detector sooner than I thought. Although, how long it'll take to debug issues is indeterminate, but we'll see. I think my time is better spent on doing it this way than trying to continue to make it work in Python. Okay, so for this event, you can ask people to help you finish off the bosses if you weren't strong enough to finish them yourself. So hopefully someone will come by and help me. Let me water my plants. Pick up bananas. Okay, let me just set the game to autoplay now. I have to say, once you get too high of a level in Puyo Quest, like, it's really hard to make progress. Somehow I got punished for playing too much. It's very annoying. But so somehow I need to figure out how to improve the performance of this. So this whole thing right here with the contour approximation, basically it's not using hardware acceleration to work. So I just need to do something completely different. Let's see if something else will work. I've been looking at a different approach using connected components. I believe that's hardware accelerated in the library. So I need to go look up the documentation real quick. Connected components. Okay. I need to clear the variables first, and then okay, input image. It's this one. if I can actually like. What is that output? Labels. Destination labeled image. Okay, let's see the performance on this. Oh, did this crash? Why is this still so slow? How does the program identify the color of a Puyo? Well, right now, I've been working on a perceptron algorithm that identifies what the Puyo color is, based on both the shape, the lines in the Puyo, and the color. I wonder, is this whole, like, am I even profiling the speed accurately? I wonder. Maybe this is wrong.
大勝利。
What type is this? Double. Is that casting double? No, it's just a function template. Okay, let's try this instead. Oh, wait. Forgot to update that. So that's the time in milliseconds. How do we convert from milliseconds to frames? How many milliseconds are in one frame? .666. .295 frames. What is this? I need to do some more research real quick. How do I... Let's see... I wonder, maybe if I make it smaller? Right now I have my whole thing set up to run on like 960 540 image, but maybe it needs to be like even smaller. That will reduce the computation time, right? Let's give up on this part for now. I'm not sure if I have my chain detector, like the classification algorithm, working on 16 by 16 images of the Puyos, but maybe I can get that to work. I'll just have to retrain the classifier. Oh. So yeah, right now, this is 270 by 480 image. Maybe this code, even though it's not efficient, can still work quickly since the image is much smaller now. Let's see. Okay. It went down. It went from 8 frames to 1.5 frames for this. Huh. So does it detect the game board? There it is. But 1.5 frames for this. Is that really good enough? family's calling me. Let me think. Well, let's try the... So that was using fine contours. Let's get the performance. I'm using labeled components. Oh. Is it doing this within like one frame now? I don't have it displaying where the boundaries are because I haven't figured out how to do that. But this could probably work. So this is what it looks like when I try to threshold out the background, or like to get the field. I'm trying to get like the biggest like white blob. Okay, pause the replay. I need to understand what's being shown in stats. How do I print Can I just do this? Whoa, is that gonna work? Wow, okay, I mean, it is printing it out on every frame, so... Wait. Let me clean this off. Ugh, I'm tired. Okay, let's look at this. Stats. So let me look at my notes. What do each of these 5 numbers mean? Okay, the first number in a column, the leftmost x coordinate, the topmost y coordinate is the second one. The third number is the width of the bounding box. The fourth number is the height of the bounding box. The last one is the total area of the connected component. So what I want here are the third and fourth numbers. Okay, here we go. What song have I not listened to in a while? Okay, let's see if I can draw the bounding rectangles. What's this anyway? Can I find my own CV rut? What is this anyway? How do I create my own rectangle? Wait, if I use the first 4 points of this... Okay. What? What does this mean? Oh. Oh, that was supposed to be... Okay, here we go. How do I draw this rectangle now? Color. Let's try this again. What am I trying to accomplish right now? I need to figure out how to get the bounding boxes in a way that's performant. Oh. can't draw the colors on a grayscale image, I realize. Huh. Is the main source of lag just the fact that it's drawing so many rectangles? Maybe I need to filter out which rectangles are used. The area of the bounding box is less than... let's say like 8% of... Wow, that's way faster. Okay. That can work. That's just over 1 frame. It does manage to grab the center. But I still need to figure out... okay, from here I need to decide which one actually belongs to the field or not. I think usually I did the filtering by the aspect ratio. Small. So far, the only you've made are small platformers and pie games. It's hard to get things to work fast in Python. Python really, you know. So it's just like Python should really just be for like prototyping an idea, or doing like research into something that's not like a real-time application. Anything that's a real-time application, like you have to work super hard to get it to work well on Python, or you have to use a bunch of libraries that are like compiled in C, and then you just make calls to that and try to do nothing in Python. But the moment you need to do like your own logic or whatever, it's just like, well, crap. Here's the bottleneck. What is that in terms of like 60 frames per second? For some reason, Visual Studio doesn't have like the wraparound parentheses. It's like very inconvenient. .55, 57 frames per second. Okay, not bad. I really wanted to get it to work at 60 frames per second, but only so much you can do. Maybe like the non-debug version would be a lot faster. This should be good enough for now. So that solves one optimization problem out of many. Oh god. Maybe I just have too many things open on my computer right now. I'm not sure why the performance is this variable. Let me work on some. Where actually the speed picks up once the thing runs for a while. Now it's actually averaging around 60 FPS. Huh. Strange. Maybe it's just the way... What's my CPU and GPU do they use to reach this? Because I know another problem is like some of the South Korean streamers that tried out the Python version, I think they were trying it on like... I need to somehow test this on a worse computer. Okay, it's like using 29% of my CPU. Kind of intense. I feel like if I know some streamers they used the CPU to run OBS, and if you have to run this at the same time, it's just gonna lag. So that's probably kind of bad. But I think this is the best I can get it. Ready? Oh. Is my mic messing up too? So I'm using NVIDIA's like noise suppression, machine learning noise suppression tool. So yeah, I guess if the rest of my computer isn't running well, then I'll just screw up my voice. Do I sound okay now? Just from time to time it's a little bit choppy? Okay. I won't worry about it much then. Your Switch fan has been getting really loud. Oh, I worry about my Switch so much too. It's just like, I don't have another $300 to spend in the event that it does break, but like, Switch is life or death for me as like a YouTuber, because without it then I can't upload any videos. Oh wait, I didn't check the stats of my videos from like... Did I upload today? Sometimes I mess up and forget. I have one comment that says, I think a tournament with all of your brothers would be really cool. Great video. Oh, well, about that, my brothers don't like playing with me. Playing panel yesterday was kind of like, well, help me see how bad I really am at that game. It's just, I don't know when. There's just so many things going on, and Puyo already gives me like a full plate. Thinking about the community and all. To somehow manage to also be good at every other puzzle game. I wish I could live that life. Oh, does someone need vegetables? I can help them out. A Model 2 Switch? Oh right, there is a newer model. Why don't my brothers like playing with me? I don't know, I guess they think I'm disgusting. Oops, I didn't use the right team. Okay, no point in this. Without attack up, I can't do enough damage. Whoops, I guess I wasted stamina right there. Whoops. I need to use up some leaves then. I used to worry a lot that my parents thought I was just like a failure or just stupid. But then I realized they're stupid. And then I should get on with my life. The end. That's my TED Talk.
Perfect combo.
空連演武線頑張ろうねグーグーグーグー1やったグーグーグーちょっとやめてよちょっとやめてよ大勝利
Did I start playing Puyo Quest? I'm not sure. Maybe 2017? It feels like a long time ago, but I don't know if it really was. People bully you over using one of the game's options? Is it really worth it to care what other people do to that extent? Well, if you're feeling better now, then it was worth it.
Perfect combo.
空連演武線頑張ろうねグーグーグーグー1やった
So for the cheer deck in Puyo Quest, you actually do have the option of manually setting up
勝利
all like 150 of your characters to get it to work, but that's just like, that's so much work. F that. I got better things to do in my life. So I use the auto deck builder for that too. I probably don't have the optimal like attack boost, but whatever. Stressing over min-maxing things instead of just like actually playing the game, sometimes it can go too far. What song is this? Oh, is it not showing the song? Ooh. I don't know. I went past it.
Perfect combo.
空連演舞戦頑張ろうねグーグーグーグー1やったグーグーグーちょっとやめてよ
Man, I wish she got Charmy Draco. She's such a good character. So much, just like literally better than everyone. I wish I was a lucky person. But instead, I'm me.
Perfect combo.
This event is literally like so boring.
空連演舞戦
Literally, you don't even chain or anything. You kind of just press the buttons,
1やったグーグーグー
watch it go. No strategy at all,
やめてよ
other than remembering to play every like 2 hours.
ちょっとやめてよ大勝利グググ
Sometimes Puyo Quest gets like really boring. I won't deny that. I wish it was better, but I'm just waiting for the Steam Towers to come back again so I can get more Wilds, Summons Armored characters. But that might not be for another 2 months or so. In the meantime, I heard that it's likely the Endless Towers will reset, so I have to go through those. I might have to make that a stream, because we need to finish doing all that. An alt costume for 30th? That does sound fun. Hope it happens.
Perfect combo.
空連演舞戦頑張ろうね
Goo goo! Goo goo!
1やったグーグーグーちょっとやめてよ大勝利グググ
Okay, I did all I could do for today. Ever think about working for Sega and working on their Puyo games? No. Because it requires knowing Japanese, on top of all the other skills you would normally need. And I don't know any Japanese really, besides how to read like 46 characters. Maybe I have enough points to finish 7-starring Bao Bao Ballet. What are Puyo games even made in? I mean, probably C? Whatever the kit or Nintendo Switch, whatever that uses. I mean, I taught myself a little bit back in the day just so I can navigate the Puyo games. But other than that, I don't really know much. Okay, that looks like I got most of the important stuff. The rest is just points and crowns. I think I could skip the rest of this box. Okay. You know, I really like the vibe of 15th anniversary. Still had that, like, the weird Sega charm. The polished look of 20th anniversary is nice, but it kind of lost something along the way too. It feels like mainstream. Oh, I should get that skill puzzler. If I could port one JP exclusive Puyo or Mado of my choice, which one did it be? Fever 2 is like my first choice for something that would actually like make a big difference. But if we're just saying for like just for kicks, Mado Monogatari, Big Kindergarten Kids, that's entertaining. It's so fun to see Arl be only like 5 years old, but then she goes to the woods and kills cats. Like, dang. Can't get more metal than that. I think the arcade feel is a good way to describe it. '15th anniversary still had the feeling that like it cared about like world building, I guess, because there's little things throughout everyone's story mode that teach you more about Primtown still. I think in Feli's story, you learn that pretty much everyone in the Puyo universe, in the Fever world, they know anti-aging spells. So basically, everyone stays young and healthy forever. They don't need healthcare. I thought long and hard about that and the implications. I wish I lived in Primtown. I only have 2 duplicates so far? Oh, still so much work to do. How many more boxes do I need to open? Wait a second. I have to get them out of here first. Well, I think the lore for Arl is different. She's just literally cursed to always be 16 forever, or something like that. I don't know. Okay, let's get started. I think that's enough. What about Rafina? I don't know. I guess Rafina is the only one who's gonna grow up and be like old and sad. Well, that's karma. That's what she gets for being mean to people. I don't know. I wouldn't think about it too hard. Oh, we can have Feli say things.
呪文は慎重に唱えなくちゃ。変なものを呼び込んだりしたら大変だもの。先輩への思いに比べたらあなた、私がこうしている隙にバルを。
Oh wait, I should have put her to level 120 first before I spent my EXP mats on her. Whoops, I didn't think about that. Oh well. Well, I think the Arthies in Puyo Tetris, everyone's like half a head taller than normal. So they're closer to like normal people proportions instead of like almost chibi designs of normal Puyo characters from like 20th Anniversary and Quest. I'm not getting lucky with the double EXP bonuses. Watch it give it to me now when I don't need it. I'm already at the last level. Thanks a lot! Wasted all those mats. Alright, final transformation. And now to never use her because she's kind of trash. Actually, wait, I don't even know if I have that many purple attack up cards, so maybe I do. Wait, no, I have Puyo Puyo 4 Rulu. She has like 5 times attack up, so yeah, I'll never use Feli ever. Oh. Do I really want to put in the effort to get to level 100? It's just so far away. I'm lazy. I'll think about it. Wow, playing Puyo Quest ate up so much time. Okay, back to coding. Wait. It's Flash Attack, Rulu. If you look it up on the Puyo Quest or Google it, her card name is Flash Attack, Rulu. She's dressed up in her same Puyo Puyo 4 outfit. There's also Witch in her Puyo Puyo 4 outfit. It's called Green Witch in Puyo Quest. Let's not use magic numbers. Arithmetic overflow. Can I ignore his warning? Whatever. Oh, fine. Here is some static casts. There, C++, now stop complaining. What's the next thing you need to check for? Aspect ratio, right? So, am I researching the Python version of this? The aspect ratio of like the width divided by the height of a field is about 0.5333. So I need to calculate the percent difference.
いきまーす。グッググー。1、グー、3、グー、5、グーグー。やったー。グッググー。大勝利。ググッグー。
Okay, the percent difference will be aspect ratio. How do we get absolute value in C++? Is there a library function for that? ABS. So this would be minus the expected divided by the average both. Divided by 2. Is that correct? Am I missing a parentheses? Yeah. Or not? Wait. That's correct, right? Yeah, okay, I have enough. Is there a dedicated playlist of these coding videos on my channel? I think I tried to configure YouTube to automatically create it based on the code keyword, but I don't think it worked. So no, I would have to go back and search for them all and set that all up. I don't know, they're kind of embarrassing though, because the 20 videos I'm up to so far are over the past couple years, and I was really bad at coding. I don't want anyone to see that. I want everyone to believe that I gained my coding skills in a void. And that I'm talented. Even though I'm not, I'm just a mediocre person who has to make up for all my deficiencies by trying really hard and staying up to 3 AM every night, suffering. Oh, did I say that out loud? failed errors. What? The heck? Where did all these errors suddenly come from? Oh. Oh my gosh, was that it? What? What just happened here? I broke something. I don't understand. Oh, I see. I got these numbers mixed up. Don't I only need to like convert one of them to bowl, where it's like implicitly? I don't need to be this hardcore about it, do I? Okay. So let's see. It appears that I've only got 2 contours selected. So let's see if that's for real. Huh? Is it worth going to programming school? Well, I think there's a distinction you need to make. There's programming, and then there's like computer science, the theory behind it and stuff. And depending on, I guess, your field and your programming language, you actually do need to know some of the theory behind how the computers work in order for you to like actually make something without struggling. So like, I feel like for C++, I guess, you do need to study up on just like, you know, bits, your T's complement, how like the bytes the memory or whatever. I'm not really I'm not good at explaining it, but because like I didn't really have a standard learning path for this either. I taught myself a lot of things too, so my own knowledge is lacking outside of like practical things. I do think the expectation of having like a full-on like computer science degree, that's going down in place of like some like online courses you can take nowadays. But be careful about those too, I guess. I think employers still expect the traditional 4-year computer science path. Yeah, I'm mostly independently taught. Okay, let's see how well the text works while the game is being played. Couple blips. I need to see how it deals with the screen shaking. When it sends a light stream over to the other side, that kind of breaks the rectangle. Let me see this. Can I get the frame where like... Okay, let's observe what the black and white image looks like. Well, there's also certain... It depends on... What you need to study also depends a lot on, like... So what I'm doing now is, like, image manipulation, right? A lot of that is based on knowing linear algebra. And... it often also goes into, like... runtime complexity discussions when you think about doing like how to like apply image transformations efficiently. Like one thing you'll learn in like computer vision course is that like you can apply multiple kernels to convolve an image with, but well like basically you have like your image, right? That's like, let's say, a 300 by 300 pixel image. And then there's like your filter, which should just be like a 3 by 3 like matrix. If you apply multiple filters on the image, one after another, like, it's fine, but also you can make it faster by instead combining the filters together and then running it over the image once. So, executing something like that yourself, so you do need to know some of the math behind it, usually, to compose your own convolutional filters. I don't think I've done anything yet that requires me to do that, but something to at least recognize. There's some like high-level math that's you basically need a college course for. So I see what's wrong with how it fails to detect the why is this like jagged right here? What is that? I need to see both images. Let me see the original one. Oh, I see. It's sort of shadow casted by the garbage Puyos when they're at the top of the board. Huh. Is there a way I can like improve threshold number though? It's like this part right here. So it's thinking the board is taller than it actually is. How do I get rid of that? Maybe it's not possible. Well, that's something I depend on in order to get this correct. And also, there's something else I realized, but not everyone runs their game at 100% resolution. Sometimes people run it at 96% because their TV screens have different borders. I'm able to detect that too. I don't know, I'm thinking out loud here. But how do I accurately get the height of the board without interference? Because while the garbage is hitting you, you still need to be able to see what change they're making. I didn't realize that was an issue. So I could attempt to just move around the thresholds until something works, but... I have an idea. Wait, no. Maybe I could track the average height over time. And then use that to crop further fields like it detected. Let me write that down. Also, I need to confirm that I'm only finding 2 contours. I should try a background that's different. Let's see. Why is it the same one? Okay. Oh, I just realized something. With the block Puyo skin, well... Oh no, will that... The block Puyo skin takes up the entire cell and doesn't leave any gaps. So that can cause some problems with detection that are unrelated to like... Okay, I'll just have to see how this match plays out. Let's see what I can do. Like, I'm relying, in order to see the full field, I'm relying on like most of the board being white around the edges. But if the block Puyo skin takes up the whole area, then all of it will just look black. I think my FPS is taking a hit by showing two images, but I need to see this happen. Oh, so it doesn't detect the field anymore because it can't. Oh, this is a problem. Maybe if I can't find the field, I should fall back on assuming it's in a certain spot. Maybe. I have to think about this. Another thing I could do is, I don't know, try to find the alignment with template matching. But I feel like that's like more intensive, CPU intensive than just doing some thresholds. And then they'll definitely fail. The aspect ratio is just slightly different. Huh. Maybe I'll just give up on the skin. Oh well. I'm pretty sure no one will ever use the skin, right? Because it doesn't even seem good for helpful for colorblind folks either. None of the blocks look different. Okay. I'll just accept that I won't get the block skin working correctly. So blocks don't work. Chalk skin, I'm not gonna try to make that one work either. Because I'm figuring no one will ever actually use it. I should remove blocks from the training data, since it doesn't matter. I really want to see Pair Puyo come back. That's like the only... I've never seen like a doubles mode in the puzzle game work as well as Pair Puyo does, at least. I think Pair Puyo still has a couple issues where like, if you really want to be annoying, you can drag the match on forever, pointlessly, even though it's clear you're going to lose. But that's primarily because you have hard drop. If you disable that, I feel like matches will be a lot more, like, fair. And then maybe you could actually run it as, like, a tournament mode. Now that would be exciting. Let me just watch the rest of this match play out. Will I ever be able to detect the field? Doesn't seem like it. So why isn't it picking out the contour? My two filters are an area that's at least 8% of the full screen. Oh, wait a sec. So like, right here, you can see that it like bisects the middle so that this whole contour loses a portion. Well, that's that. You know, maybe I should... Oh, is this blur too much? Maybe... Because this is supposed to be done on like the larger image, the smaller line. Maybe I can use the smaller kernel. So it can finally detect I mean, it finally detects the first screen now because the outlines are fully there, sorta. But then the second player does. There's still like cut. I'm not sure what I can do to fix that. What do you think? What other ways can I use to decide on the correct? So I'm already making the assumption that they're going to be running this up at full screen. Or maybe, yeah, I'll just give up on login. That's just never gonna work. Yeah, whenever garbage appears over the field. So I think that's why it must have been airing in my past streams if you watched it. When garbage is above the field, it needs to find the correct contour for the field. How do I fix this? Like, there it is for player 1. Like right here. Yeah, I'll just have to implement something that remembers the average height over time. The average Y position. So anything above it will get cropped out. That wouldn't get counted anymore. Or if it can at least detect both fields, then you can make the assumption that these should both be at like the lowest height, right? So you could crop one based on the other. But then that requires finding both fields. Maybe that won't work. Well, I'm this far. I'll just keep going. Let's see, my next step is to... Well, I need to validate that I only got the two contours, the two rectangles. I need to print out what these were. That should work, right? Okay, yeah, I found only two. What is this last number here? Is that like the area? The number of pixels? Huh. Wait, 10,000? That can't be. Doesn't really make sense, but okay. I'll just ignore that number. So wait. X position, Y position. With height. Based on the X position, that's player 1, right? Seems like it's 8 frames higher than it's supposed to be. Oh. One thing that will confuse you when you do work with like graphics stuff on computers compared to like your math class is that the y-axis. So the way a lot of graphics software works is they draw images from top to bottom left to right, which means the Y value, like the Y axis, is like inverted compared to what you see in your math class. So, like, going up is negative and going down is positive. So, well, I know for me at least that was kind of confusing at first. But I figure people nowadays are much more used to doing like graphics editing and stuff, so maybe it's not very confusing at all actually. Okay, well anyway. Okay, well once I have that... I feel like it's bad practice for me to just stick this all in the main function, but right now I'm just like doing some testing, so I'll refactor this later once I can get something that like actually works. So I did the first step in getting the screen rectangles. Now I need to... Well, I can kind of see my next steps, so I'm not too worried now, but... Actually, maybe I do need to start refactoring now. I should make a class that can track its own state, so we can remember what the field... so I can remember what the field positions were. Yeah, I think that would be the best thing to do. Oh, but I'm so tired. I don't really want to do this right now. I've been thinking about this all day, so... And it's Friday too. Why am I working on a Friday night? I should be doing something fun, like... What do I do? I've just been consumed by our capitalist society's need to make everyone feel like they should always be productive. Huh. What do I do? For fun? Play Puyo? Huh. Let me just try to finish up Belly in Puyo Quest. I should be able to do 3 more. Right? I got another book. Let's see. But I also need to retrain my classifier to work on 16 by 16 images. Will that even work? Is that too low resolution? I'll just have to find out. But also, I'm not familiar with classifiers in C++. How do I port my thing. Shiver dust the whip.
Perfecto combo.
I like how Maguro has a little fish hook on this outfit, just to still show that
頑張ろうねググンググン
his family fishes a lot. Charmy Draco is such a cheat.
大勝利グググ
Okay, I think that's it for today's stream. I got more familiar with OpenCV C++ API, so I've been learning a lot. Why does my current game say panel to pawn? I thought I changed my category to science and technology for this video. Weird. Oh well, I guess it's too late for that now. Okay, well, yeah, stream's over. I'm gonna just do some reading on my own, which is far less entertaining to watch than what I was just doing now, so... yeah, that's it for now. Gotta work on... I gotta refactor my code. So that I could track the state and find the rectangles in a way that's not like super nested and ugly like it is right now. Alright, see you all later. Bye.